What's darkness?
It's what you are not, in a way. It's something that's not real, something that you made up to remind you of who you really are.
Darkness doesn't sound so cool. Won't I be afraid of this darkness?
Only if you choose to be. Only if you forget who you really are. There's nothing to be afraid of because darkness isn't real.
I think I'm still in the dark.
Well, you never really know what something is like until you know its opposite.
Huh? What's an opposite?
Here, let me show you.
You will never know about
Till you will be down, down, down.
You don't know what it's like to be lost.
Till you will be found, found, found.
You cannot understand big.
Till you will be small, small, small.
You don't really know about summer days.
Till you live through winter night.
If the music is slow.
There's a fast song and soul song. I like my music fast. Well, I'm not into soul beats. Fast rap beats are where it's at. Yeah.
I think I get it now. I am the light, the opposite of darkness.
That's right.
So, for me to really experience myself as the light, I need to experience darkness.
Precisely.